In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to configure internet connectivity on Cisco CSR 1000V virtual router on Hyper-V. In my topology, this is my Cisco router and I will assign another network interface, gigabit interface 2, and this is my Windows 11 computer, and I will configure DHCP client on gigabit Ethernet 1 and static IP address on gigabit Ethernet 2, and then we'll configure DHCP server, default route, access control list, and net overload, that means PET, on Cisco router, and then I will get internet in my Windows 11 virtual machine. Going back, would you like to enter the initial configuration dialog? Yes or no? Type no, then hit enter. Type the command enable, type show running config. Look here, I have only one network interface, gigabit Ethernet 1. But I need to have another Ethernet adapter for LAN connection. Click on turn off to shut down the router. Then click on turn off. Right click on the Cisco router virtual machine and then click on settings. Select add hardware and then select network adapter. Then click on add. Select the virtual switch. In virtual switch, that means internal virtual switch. Click on apply and click on OK. Again, start the virtual machine. Select CSR 1000V packages info and then hit enter. Boot complete. Type enable. Then type configure terminal. Type interface gigabit 1. This interface gigabit 1, IP address will come from ISP DHCP server. That means gigabit Ethernet 1 is the DHCP client. Type IP address DHCP. Hit enter. Now type no shutdown. The gigabit Ethernet 1 change state to up and the IP address is assigned from the DHCP server 10.17.32.15 and the subnet mask is here. Now exit, go back to configuration mode. Again interface gigabit 2. This is the LAN interface. This is the LAN interface and I have to assign IP address here manually. Type IP address 192.168.10.1 and the subnet mask 255.255.255.0. Now hit enter. Then no shutdown. Exit. You have to create a DHCP server. IP DHCP pool LAN network 192.168.10.0 subnet mask 255.255.255.0 default router, that means default gateway 192.168.10.1. The router interface IP address is the default gateway. Now hit enter. Now DNS server, you can assign DNS server provided from your ISP. I am assigning Google public DNS server IP address 8.8.8.8. Now hit enter. DNS server is done. Now I have to configure default route to get internet using private IP address. IP route 0.0.0.0 space 0.0.0.0 space default gateway provided from my ISP 10.17.32.254. Now hit enter. Default gateway done. Now you have to configure net overload or PET. To configure net overload, first you need to configure access control list. Type access list. I am configuring standard ACL 10 permit 192.168.10.0 my local network and the wildcard mask 0.0.0.255. Now hit enter. access list is finished. Now I can configure the net overload or PET. IP net inside source list 10, my access list 10, and then as I do not have public IP address, I have to map here my internet interface, WAN interface. That means gigabit Ethernet 1, INT interface GI gigabit Ethernet 1, and then overload IPNet inside source list 10 interface gigabit Ethernet 1 and then overload. Now hit enter. Net overload is finished. Configure DNS IP address on Cisco router. Type IP name server and Google DNS IP address 8.8.8.8. Now go to privilege mode. I have to check internet connectivity in my Cisco router. Type ping and the Google IP address 8.8.8.8. Now hit enter and success rate 100%. That means internet is connected in my Cisco router. Now you have to declare net inside and outside in your Cisco router interface. The gigabit 1 is the net outside and gigabit 2 is the net inside. I have to configure both interface gigabit Ethernet 1 IP net outside and then gigabit Ethernet 2 IP net inside. Hit enter. Net inside and outside has been declared. Windows 11 virtual machine here and right click on the virtual machine and go to settings. Here I have a network adapter and it's connected to the internal virtual switch. That means gigabit Ethernet 2 of my Cisco router and network interface of my Windows 11 computer both are connected in internal virtual switch. Now all configuration is done. Now I am going to check my virtual Windows 11 computer. Click on Start menu. In search type Control Panel. Click on Control Panel. In View by select large icons and then click on Network and Sharing Center. Click on Change Adapter Settings. This is the network adapter. Right click on the network adapter. Then click on Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4 and then go to Properties. Obtain an IP address automatically is already selected. Just select use the following IP address. Again select obtain an IP address automatically and here select obtain DNS server automatically. Then click on OK. Click on close. Just disable and enable again. Double click on the Ethernet adapter. Click on details, the IP address, subnet mask, default gateway, DHCP server, and DNS IP address assigned here from my Cisco router. Internet is connected successfully to my virtual computer. I'm going to check, go to search, type CMD, click on command prompt. Now you can ping any website, ping google.com. The ping is successful 100%. Again, I can ping to facebook.com and Facebook also replying successfully. These are the step-by-step configuration Cisco router on Hyper-V. Hope this tutorial will helpful for you. If you have any query, just post a comment. I will reply accordingly. Thank you.